Working with Nature Workshop is going to give you the skills to take inspiration from nature and the natural world to design a connected ecosystem in your own backyard. We're going to look at how to catch, store and filter water. We're going to look at earthworks, including a practical hands-on go at digging a swale, and then you'll have the ability to turn your entire property into a giant water tank. We're going to look at microclimates, windbreaks, and the roles of these and the design of how to build one. And then finally look at creating biodiversity and enhancing that in your garden to attract beneficial insects and